Here we are at Jackson Bay, part of Karukinka Reserve from Wildlife Conservation Society. It's the only place in Chile where we find breeding elephant seals.
We're looking at some large and rather noisy elephant seals, which are preposterous creatures. They lay in the surf or the sand or even up on dry land, and they just lay around and occasionally snort and growl, and every once in a great while they'll open their huge jaws and yawn or bellow. When these creatures move, it's like a breakdancing move where they lay on their stomach with their fins out, and they bounce forward, undulating, and it's the silliest thing you ever saw. It's undignified for creatures of such size and weight and ponderousness. What impresses me is how anything so ugly can have so many girls under his control. You know, you'd think that the gals might be a little more discriminating.